Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Today we are supercharging your Shopify store with Trustoo Ally Reviews Importer. We're going to add authentic AliExpress reviews in minutes and skyrocket your conversions for your Shopify store. Okay. Now the first thing that I want you to do is to come here to Trustoo.io, which is the official page for this extension here. And I want you to click on try Trustoo for free. And it's going to take you basically to the Shopify store in which you can install the app. Alternatively, what you can do from your Shopify store is you can just come to the apps here and you can look for Trustoo, okay? And you should select this one, Trustoo.io reviews. But yeah, now fortunately for you, Trustoo.io is free and it's only going to take you like 30 seconds to install. So what you have to do is basically come to this page here and just click on install, okay? So just click on install here and now it's going to start to load and it's going to take a few seconds. But after that, you're going to be able to see these permissions here. You're just going to click and you're just going to click on install. And now it's going to take another few seconds. And there we go, pretty much. Now you just have to select the official language for your store, which in my case is going to be English. Now let's click on continue. Now let's talk about these two options here. I think that the first one, you should always tick on in order to make it more likely for your customers to give you like a review. And now the second option is going to be highly dependent on you, but I recommend that you also keep it on. It's very good this is going to really encourage customers to write a review, and it's going to make your store more popular in the long term. And you can make the amount something like 15 to 20%. Okay, so yeah. Now, as a final step, I just want you to go to your Shopify store by clicking on Go Enable. And I want you to make sure that this button here, this Trustoo Pro Reviews, is actually ticking here. And I want you to click on Save. Okay, so that is the final step actually. And now you can just come back to the other page, which is this one here. And you can just click on Continue. Now, whenever you complete these settings, you're going to be redirected to this dashboard here. And you can just come to the settings. And make sure that you have the language set to your actual language because this sometimes changes to another language. So make sure that you change to English or your current language. This app is actually not free completely. You're going to have like a 7-day free trial. But whenever this finishes, you basically have to come to the plan section and you can upgrade to whatever plan you want to have in here. Okay, you have your basic, grow, and unlimited. And you can pay them monthly or annually. So yeah. Now let's talk about one of the most important features, which is the import reviews from Amazon and from AliExpress. Okay, so I want you to come to this menu here, import reviews. And here you can basically choose to import a review, from Amazon or from AliExpress by basically copy pasting the link. But keep in mind that this is sometimes not going to work. So what I'm going to recommend you do is actually select this option, the import bookmark option in here. Okay, and how this is going to work, you basically have to add this little thing here, this little page that you can drag across to your bookmarks section in your browser basically, okay? How are you going to do this in Chrome, which is the most common, is by dragging this box and putting it in here, okay, as you can see. So let's say, for example, that I want to go to the AliExpress page in here, and I want to choose to import one of the products reviews, okay, which is the whole purpose of this tutorial, of course. So let's just select a random product in here, like this little umbrella. And what I want you to do now is I want you to click on this button here that says import reviews, which is the bookmark that we just added in here, right? Let's click on it. And now Trustoo.io is going to try to grab all of the reviews from this product in here, as you can see. And now you basically have to select the product of your store that you want to match the reviews with, okay? And you have to select like the number of reviews imports, and basically if you want to have automatic updates in here, okay? You can also choose to publish or to unpublish, okay? After you're ready, just click on import reviews, okay? And that's going to be it. And now in your store, you're going to have the same reviews as in AliExpress, which is going to be very, very helpful. You can also watch these reviews that you actually imported by going to this menu that says manage reviews in here. And you can choose to filter them by your source language. So you can discard the ones that are, for example, not in English, okay? And you can actually also import reviews from here, from this very same section, all right? And here you can actually, disable them, manage them, and put them in a different order that you want to show them in your product. So yeah. Now let's talk about the styling section, which is basically the way that these reviews are going to be shown in your website, in your store, okay? And for that, I just want you to come to the widgets section. First of all, this should always be activated, and you can click on preview here. And now you can choose between different layouts. This is the professional layout and this is the streamline layout. Okay, they look different. I actually recommend going with the professional layout. You can also change like the icons of the stores in here. As you can see, I just recommend keeping the default or this one, no other than that. And you can order your reviews by basically being the newest, or if they have a photo or not, or the highest rating, which is what I would recommend actually. I would recommend having the highest ratings on top, or the ones with photos on top, but maybe even this one here. And you can select to show different options such as these ones or not. You can also change, for example, the color of the stores, the background, and so on to make it look more appealing or more similar to your style or the style of the store. And what I find most interesting is that you can change the reviews styling, okay? So instead of this, you can have like a grid, for example, which looks more like center, or like a list, okay? So this is gonna be completely personal. Similarly, you can do the same with all of the other sections, such as the Q&A widget, the star rating, which is for the product pages, the writer review, and so on. You have a lot of different personalization options, which I find amazing actually, even for the checkout, okay, which is great. Now, lastly, we're just gonna go to the review section here, and from here, you can personalize the message that you're gonna send to your customers in order for them to leave review, okay? So just come to the review request section here, and just come to the customize section in the email template, for example, okay? And from here, you can customize the message to your own liking, all right? So that's pretty much it for Trustoo, you know? It's a pretty good app in general. I really like the style of it. I like the fact that it's free for the first 7 days, and then you have like a free plan, but the free plan, to be honest, is not very good, and you kind of need the other plan to make like something good out of it, in my opinion, all right? You can also fully customize all of the widgets and all of the sections, which is great. And I don't know, the app in general looks very neat and very tidy and very simple to use, okay? Now, what I find is not very good is that this only works for Amazon and for AliExpress. And the thing compatibility with your store can be sometimes a little bit tricky and you might have to tweak it further, okay? But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, and thank you so much.